are all the ingredients you will need. 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 cup milk, 3/4 cups sugar, 2 cups blueberries, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 cup whole wheat flour, 2 eggs, half cup melted salted butter. Now we're going to make buttermilk. Mix 1 tablespoon vinegar into 1 cup milk. And mix it. Put it to the side. Put it aside and let it rest for 5 minutes. Now we're going to mix all the dry ingredients. The baking powder and the sugar, whole wheat flour and all-purpose flour. Now mix all this together and make a well in the middle. Now we're going to add all the wet ingredients. Mix the eggs. Put the melted salted butter in. And the stirred eggs. And the buttermilk we made before. It should have no lumps in it. Now ask an adult to put the oven to 400 degrees. Now you need a tray like this one. And now you need to grease them with oil so the muffin does not get stuck. Now put the blueberries inside the batter and stir it gently. Now it is stirred, get a spoon and pour the batter into the trays. Have an adult put the trays into the oven, which is at the temperature at 400 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. Looks like time is up. Ask an adult to take the muffins out and put them on something